Banana and eggs are no secret to anyone, and today you're going to learn how to use them. Start with 3 bananas. One of them will slice it vertically like this and remove the peel. The other 2, slice them into rounds like this. The ones we cut into rounds, transfer to a plate and mash with a fork. Mash well. When it looks about like this, it's good. Now in a bowl, beat 2 eggs. Add the mashed banana and 30 grams of oats. Mix with a fork. Prepare the pan with a tablespoon of olive oil. Spread it around the bottom, and here we'll add those 2 bananas we cut earlier. And on top, the mashed banana. Spread it out in the pan and let it cook for about 4 minutes. Then just flip it and finish cooking the other side. And it's done. Our banana, egg, and oat recipe is finished. Simple, healthy, and super practical. Perfect for breakfast or a quick snack. If you like this tip, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this. Tell us in the comments below what you thought, and feel free to suggest future recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.